In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and place images in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started by opening Adobe Photoshop. Once the app is running, the first thing you'll often want to do is bring an image in as its own document. The simplest method is to head up to the File menu at the top left and choose Open. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the image you want to work with, select it and confirm. Photoshop will load that file as a brand new document, which means it has its own tab, its own canvas, and it's separate from any other project you might have opened. If you prefer a quicker approach, you can drag the image file directly from your desktop or folder and drop it into Photoshop's workspace. That does the same thing. Your picture opens as a new document. You'll know it worked when you see your image on its own canvas with a new tab at the top. This is perfect when you want to edit that image by itself, adjust colors, crop, retouch, and save it out as its own file. Now, what if you're already working on a design and want to add another image into that existing project? In that case, go back to the File menu and choose Place Embedded. This command lets you insert an image into your current document so it becomes part of that layout. In the dialog that appears, pick your image and click Place. You'll immediately see it appear in your canvas with a bounding box around it. Before you confirm, you can resize or move the image to get it right where you want it. To resize, drag any of the corner handles of the bounding box. If you want to keep the proportions looking natural, hold the Shift key while you drag. To move the image, click inside the box and drag it to a new position. As you move and scale, pay attention to how the image fits within your canvas and other elements so everything feels balanced and clear. When it looks good, press Enter or Return to confirm your placement. That tells Photoshop you're happy with the size and position, and the image becomes part of your project. If you change your mind later, you can always select it again and adjust as needed, but confirming now locks in your initial placement. And that's it.